Hey everyone. My brother John Prata CFA is in the building. It's been like 2 months since we seen each other.
Yeah.
How long has it been?
Too long, man. Too long.
Right.
We got to see each other more often,
man.
to be
like,
honest.
a lot of the people who's been subscribed to me.
Come in the mic. Come in the mic.
Like you haven't been. They might have not seen you yet. Because we were doing collabs in December.
Yo,
and the things started popping off in
wait.
December.
You know what
or January.
we should look at your channel growth.
No. Let's worry about that on the 10K stream. Let me see all the
yeah.
projects you've been working on, because you've been grinding these last 2 months, right?
Yeah.
What have you been working on?
Just a little bit. I've been working on on a couple things. What I want you to do is kind of just like judge. Basically, this is my philosophy right now. I think the future of AI is modular and what's the other modular and what do you call it when you can combine them, like compositional or something like that,
okay.
like something like that, modular, right? But the point is, like, in the future, AI models are going to be compound systems. So it's going to be like one foundational model that's fine-tuned for a certain task, another foundational model that's fine-tuned for a certain task, and it's going to be a pipeline of those hyper fine-tuned large foundation models to create a task. Like, let's say in my use case, I want to do like equity research. So for each section, there's going to be a super fine-tuned model creating that section, right? So that's kind of the philosophy that I have.
I see. And what are the different sections you're talking about?
So
like, there's going to be a hyper fine-tuned talking about trying to give like a target, and then another looking at financials, then another investigating like the CEO. Like,
basically. So I'm not thinking out. I'm not even thinking that far out. I'm thinking very, very low level. I would say like an AI that's able to build the financial statement. Let me see. Do you know how to use VS Code?
Yeah, of course, bro.
like how do I pull this up so you could see like the different sections? Okay, actually, let's go into my projects.
Okay, you have a vision board?
Yeah, so I have a little vision board. So I think my girlfriend works at Fang as well.
Fang's everywhere.
Are you gonna drop a?
No.
Let's not leak that yet. But bro. This guy came up so hard in real time,
bro.
And you documented it in real time.
Documented
everything, literally the whole stack.
There's gonna be some great content coming out. Follow me, follow my brother. We're gonna be dropping a lot of stuff. My brother's been working on this equity research report, and this year this thing's really gonna come out. And we're gonna try to monetize it. We're gonna try to get it in the hands of a lot of people. We're gonna get this thing strong. He's basically built out the deep research feature, the Chatgpt bit, for free.
Like literally a deep research feature that's hyper, like it's going to be a deep research, but I would say it's called deep equity research because it's focused on just like, is this stock a buy or not?
Yeah,
right. That's basically like it's fine tuned for that. So like, DeepSeek made deep research. Gemini made deep research. Everyone's doing deep research. But
what is deep research?
But
what's
different?
Deep research quick,
bro. I can't. Let's make a whole video on that.
Yeah.
But like this is not deep research. This is deep equity research.
Okay.
Right.
I like that. Yeah.
But yeah. So these are the couple of features that I've been working on over the last couple of days. I think I'm gonna title this video Senior Software Engineer Judges CFA Research.
Oh, let's go on my channel.
Yeah. Name it.
I'll name it.
Yeah. We basically both have the same channel, so. But yeah. Okay, you're gonna judge you're gonna judge my result, like what I've been working on, right?
Yeah. See.
So my current pipeline is basically so I have 3 sections. The first section here, which is kind of what you see, this cluster here, is just basically my backlog of things that I want to work on. So within each sticky note, or like module is what I call it, is a problem and a solution and a status. So for example, so I have 3 problems in backlog. So for example, a problem that I have is I have code that collects financial data via the Y Finance API. When trying to collect data, it hits rate limits.
I see.
Right.
Okay.
So what's the solution? So I come up with a solution similar to how you do lead code questions, where you kind of like whiteboard the stuff or do the pseudocode.
I see.
But basically, the reason why I do this is I want to hone my prompt engineering. Like, these are prompts for me as a human.
Yeah.
But eventually, like, I want these prompt and problem and solution pairs to be AI prompts, so I don't have to code. You know.
You just feed this and it just starts building up.
Yeah. But for now, I'm doing the problem, and the solution, and then that's a prompt for me to write code. Mm-hmm. But eventually, like, I'm going to replace myself with the AI. Yes. You know what I'm saying?
That's crazy.
You know what I'm saying? Do you see the vision with that?
I see.
But yeah, so I have 3 different types of statuses, which is like backlog, work in progress, which is WIP, or solved. So like if it's in the backlog, so I have this problem called shiny object syndrome. Do you know what that is?
Yeah, I heard of it. A lot of entrepreneurs face that.
But yeah, so eventually, I mean, like, what I'm basically trying to avoid with this vision
board. How do you learn about that? Where'd you find out about the shiny object syndrome?
Experience.
YouTube videos, they talk about it?
Dude, look at our text messages. It's like the like I always ask, hey, yo, James, should I study this? Like I asked my girlfriend, should I study this? Like, dude, I asked that multiple times a day.
Yeah.
So basically what I want to do is, okay, I'm gonna make this vision board. I'm gonna have a backlog. The maximum amount of backlog is 10. So like if there's 10 in there, I can't add shit in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I just swore.
I can blank
but
it
I
out,
can't. But I can't.
Like, this is a high technical, folks.
Yeah, I can't add anything in there, right? Because like if I have more than 10 in the backlog, I should be focused on the backlog rather than creating backlog.
Okay,
right?
give us all a high level of how this thing is structured. You got problem, solution, status.
Right. So that's how the backlog function works. So there's a limit of 10 in this section.
Okay.
In the work in progress section, I limit it to 3.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? Because like if you have more than 3, you're context switching too hard on a given day.
Yeah.
Like especially if you're applying yourself, doing more than 3 things in a single day is like, even if you have crazy capacity, you can't do it. Right? So I limit this section to 10 and this section to 3. And obviously, like once I have it from work in progress to solved, it goes to solved.
Bro,
and
this just looks like Jira.
I don't know.
On Excel spreadsheet, you're such a finance guy. You just built out Jira on a spreadsheet. It just looks like Jira, bro. Everyone comment in the chat if this is just Jira.
Bro, I dude, honestly, yo, how do I say it? All the knowledge that I know, I would say 80% could be attributed to Chatgpt. But I don't even know what Jira stands for.
Bro, this is Jira.
Okay,
it told you to build this out like Jira?
No, I came up with this.
Okay.
I definitely came up with this.
Okay, what are the problems you solved? What are you working on? And what are you going to solve?
Sure. I'm going to... this one's kind of boring.
Can you give us a quick demo?
I'll give you... Dude, of course.
Okay, hurry up. Give us a demo and then we'll talk about... Okay, so talk about what you did and then we'll show a demo. Then we'll talk about what you're working on and then what's coming.
Sure, I'll show you something that's solved. So
I think this video is going to be called Mass Producing Equity Research Reports. Like that first one for you that banged.
That bagged, yeah.
Or no, Deep Equity Research Reports.
Yeah,
something
like that.
Yeah. Something lit.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the problem. So I need the following financial statements, which are the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. This data is needed to complete discounted cash flow valuations. Quarterly and annual data is required.
Okay.
So like I kind of went to the drawing board and tried to figure out like what I know. So I know for sure I want to use Playwright. The reason why I want to use Playwright is because it's just better than Selenium. It's better than like all the other frameworks.
Way more modern.
Yeah, it's the most modern framework that I know of. And I want to store the financials as an XLSX file for manipulations. Because like if you if you put it as CSV, sometimes like I don't know if you never ever really work with Excel. But like
not
when
Excel, usually just like CSV.
When you use CSV files, like formulas don't work. You can't have multiple tabs.
Mm-hmm.
So I want it as an XLSX file, and then store the files in folders, because like that's how I live, right? But yeah, let's take a look at the code, right?
Because this video, we're gonna make this video exactly 20 minutes.
Yeah, this video's already been
10 minutes, so let's spend a few minutes.
Yeah.
Looking at the demo.
Okay, let me. Do you know how to just show like one?
What?
Close all others.
Yeah, I can show you.
Yeah.
You just start closing them one at a time, like this, and it just starts making them.
Fix all that.
Save?
Yeah, save everything. Okay.
Guy doesn't want to lose this.
Nah, it's good. It's good. You could run it now. Okay, so basically, I have this module that scrapes financial data, right? So you know what the problem is.
Yep.
I need these financial statements. Eventually, like these financial statements, I need them as inputs to a discounted cash flow model.
Okay.
Right. So usually, when you build an equity research report or a DCF, you want at least 2 years back in quarterly and 2 years in annual, and then you want to project 3 years, 5 years, or 10 years, depending on the projection period that is reasonable, right? Like some companies projecting 10 years out makes no sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Right?
Yeah.
Like some 1 year out makes sense, right? So you would just do that. But yeah, so I'll show you how the code works. But yeah, so the point of this code, I know I'm
run the code.
Okay, run the code. This
guy will go in circles. That's why all his videos are 40 minutes or more.
Okay, I'll run the code.
Everyone go follow my brother John Peralta CFA.
What company do you want to run?
Meta.
Meta? Nah, I already have one. Let's do like Netflix or something.
No, that's Microsoft.
Okay, make a random one. I already have a Microsoft.
Nvidia.
Okay.
This guy knows tickers by heart. That's crazy.
Chill out.
Okay.
But yeah, so basically what this is doing
is it's doing a deep research feature, right?
Yeah.
Or this is like, it's mimicking deep research by multiple... It's
mimicking deep research for sure.
Like how long is it thinking for?
Like however long you see.
Yeah, okay, I see.
Right? So basically what it's doing, it's going into a specific web page.
You can see it clicking stuff.
It's clicking quarterly and then it's clicking expand all. So it initially hits expand all.
Here, no, let's move the mouse there.
Could you do that?
Yeah, you can move it there. It doesn't matter. Look, it's clicking there. Collapse all.
And then it hits the annual. And you could see in the interpreter. What do you call this?
Just terminal. This guy built this thing and doesn't know the terminology. That's like...
Dude, I'm just trying to get work done.
Exactly. That's what people need to do. Like, you're not stuck in tutorial hell. You're like, let me just solve the problem I need to solve. I don't need to know all the terminology. And you figure it out as you go.
Dude, I don't think I could pass the interview, though.
We'll see. We'll run you on one tomorrow, man.
Oh,
we're going to stream hard tomorrow.
Embarrassing, bro. Embarrassing, man. You're going to...
Oh, it's going to be fun tomorrow.
But yeah, it's basically... now,
I think it's scraping financials, annuals,
and then
quarterly.
It saved it to an Excel file.
Okay, so show what it did.
It
scraped financials,
see
annual.
how it's green on the...
Yeah, that means it's new.
Yeah. all this crap's new. Yo, James, you didn't go into this. Like, I did this on my own.
Yeah, I didn't touch this. This is the first time I'm seeing this. And this is way more advanced than the last time you showed me. The last time you showed me, it scraped like one page. Now it's thinking for like over 3 minutes and grabbing reports across.
Oh, man.
Oh, it scraped it bad or no?
No, it scraped it good. I think on the next video, maybe you should see like how I wrote some code to use search on Chatgpt.
Really?
Yeah.
You figured that
using
out?
Langchain, yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah, I use Langchain with... Let me give them a sneak preview of the crab. Where's that crab? Experimental. What do you think about using IPy notebooks?
I like it.
Yeah.
Anything interactive is nice because it helps you iterate faster.
Okay, yeah.
It's all about iteration speed. You want to see like a good feedback loop. You want to write some code, run it. Write some code, run it more.
Yeah.
So the feedback loop is nice.
Yeah. But yeah, this is just a sneak peek. I basically I I gave Chatgpt search functionality with Google search. So basically, like, I just made an AI agent with Langchain, and then obviously you have to have like a Google search engine ID. You need the Google API key. You need the OpenAI API key. I gave it a tool, and then
Okay,
basically
working with tools.
yeah, basically like if you don't use search, if you just call the ChatGPT model, it says I'm unable to provide real-time stock data. And then if you use my function, which I made, it goes and uses like the agent.
Wow.
And then this is the tool. And then the
It's
chain.
actually giving the proper
so
stock
the current
price, right?
stock price of Meta for Feb 19.
Wow.
So this is the other day, is 703, and it's accurate.
Wow.
Versus like this one, which I'm unable to provide it. So I gave it some tools, right?
So you gave it some. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, now we know what you're working on, like a bunch of equity research bots to help you, like, figure out what stocks to buy, like, basically automate the job of an analyst, right?
Yeah, I think my philosophy is, what do I do on a given day, and what tasks can I not do? I'll give that to the bot so I can do something better. You know what I'm saying? Like I only have 8 hours.
You're working like 16 hours a day, bro.
Let's be honest.
You're working 16 hours a day.
It's a grind, but bro, like, yeah, I had to correct that. But like, what's the word? Like, you only have a limited amount of time in the day. There's things that you want to not do. Give that to a bot, and then do things that you want to do.
Yeah, I see.
Like, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, let's see what's on the roadmap, man. Like,
Yeah,
everyone's
yeah.
invested. I'm invested.
Yeah.
All the subs are invested.
Wait.
If you're invested, go follow John Peralta CFA right now.
Let's look at the results, though. Let's look at the results, right? Here's the problem with getting a Mac, which is, you told me. Did you tell me to get a Mac?
No.
You were there when you bought my computer.
Yeah, but I told you don't get that. It's a waste of money. You already had this guy already had an NVIDIA GPU.
Oh, man,
he was running llama on his computer.
You know why it's worth it? I could code on the airplane.
Yeah. You gotta drop that video. Drop one of you doing that.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. You gotta edit it for me.
Show this. Yeah,
you can see like, all numbers in $1,000. So like, this is the revenue for Meta over the last couple months. This is the quarterly data for the last couple of months. Dude, so yeah, like I don't know if you want to just write me some code to make me freaking all codes, but
so pulled all the different data.
It pulled the income statement on an annual level as well as a quarterly level. The balance sheet at an annual level.
Wow.
And a quarterly level. And cash flow at an annual level and a quarterly level.
So now you just
those are the three.
That's what you need for your DCF model.
Yeah, dude,
or DCF evaluation.
Call it discounted cash. Yeah. You got some
discounted cash flow.
They know.
You
got code monkeys in this.
They know what a discounted cash flow is.
Nah,
basically, it's just a evaluation, but way more intense, right?
Okay. Go over the steps of a DCF model.
Not right now. Teach me a different thing.
But yeah,
I'll put software engineer goes through finance interview. That'd be lit.
Yeah.
Okay, show me what's on the roadmap, and then we could stop it there.
So yeah, those are.
We have like much more videos to drop tomorrow. We're gonna shoot like 10 videos. You're gonna see a release to. You're gonna see all the things he's working on. Yeah,
over a week. But yeah, so what's in the pipeline right now? So the main thing, I want to train. My main vision is developing a curriculum to train future compound AI systems to become hedge fund managers.
I see.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right? So right now I'm collecting like my prompt, output pairs. I'm collecting like how I solve problems and solutions. Basically, like I'm pretending to be a hedge fund manager, and like these are problems and solutions that I'm going to feed into a model. Yeah. Right? So like, what do I have in the pipeline? Pretty much stuff that is like figuring out the value of a stock. Right. So I'm recording all of my report sections. I'm recording all of my stuff that like I need. Like the main thing that I know kind of, or like I'm guessing produces results. So like this is something that's in the pipeline is I'm not collecting analyst ratings data. So some analysts, such as like a Goldman Sachs equity research analyst or like a JP Morgan equity research analyst, so like when they release a rating, like let's say they go from like a buy rating to a sell rating, that would materially impact the stock.
Okay.
So identifying those analysts that are able to predict or like that move the market would be a huge factor.
I see.
Right? So I want to collect that data. That's in the pipeline. I also have code that collects financial data via like I don't want to say the API, but like it collects it like price earnings, EV earning, enterprise value, earnings before interest tax. You know,
so
like,
you want to refactor that code to make it way more performant.
Yeah. So these are like different problems that I have, and then what like my hypothetical solutions are. So let's go over this one. So
what was that RAG thing you're building? That's interesting.
Yeah,
you're working on that right now.
So I have 2 projects on the go. There's 2 things that I want to focus my channel around. It's like learning how to become a tech founder, as well as applying my finance knowledge using tech.
Yes.
Right. So what I have on the go, so like I have 3 work in progress, which is 2 right now. I haven't completed a project end to end yet, and I wanted to go through that. I'm gonna complete the Python crash course, which is by Eric Matthews. It's like the top book on Amazon right now, and you get to build a game. I think you get to build a app.
That's gonna be sick.
Right?
Yeah.
So I wanna definitely run that. So that's the problem. I haven't completed a project yet. I'm gonna do that.
Yeah, that's gonna be good. I hope you finish that soon.
100%.
Actually work through that. Like,
yeah.
The shiny object problem is the real thing. So
yeah. So you, dude, make me swear to God right now that to do that in a week.
In a week? No, just get it done. We'll put money on it.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
We'll figure something out.
Force it. I'll do it on 2 weeks.
Okay.
I want to, and then so that's like what's work in progress number 1, and then work in progress number 2 is I want to analyze financial statements with AI at scale.
I see.
So right now I have XLSX files, so Excel files. I somehow had to feed this into an LLM for analysis.
I see.
Right? So you literally just saw me generate like a file with all of the financial statements, balance sheet, cash flow, income statement. So right now I want to feed that into a large language model, and based on my research, the best tool to use that to complete that task is Langchain, and using their RAG feature. So they have like I don't want to get into it too hard, but they already have functions and stuff like that literally is just like RAG.
Nice.
But yeah, I'm gonna learn that and apply that pretty much by end of day tomorrow, and then you could judge that.
Okay. Yeah. All right. That's so tomorrow we're gonna go live tomorrow. Maybe I'll drop this tonight.
Yeah, drop it right now.
We'll drop it right now. But me and my brother are going live tomorrow for the 10,000 subscriber live stream. Thanks for everyone for supporting. Go follow my brother. We're gonna party up tonight. We're gonna drop a video, this 10,000 subscriber video.
Yo, dude. Swear to God, right now I'm not paying for nothing. No, I'm just kidding.
We're gonna get tonight. We're gonna get crazy lit.
Yo, dude, this guy.
We're gonna get crazy lit tonight.
And I'm paying for it because I'm older, bro. Just because I'm older, I'm paying for it. I'm sick of this kid.
But this is gonna be a crazy.
Nah.
Like,
Papa
we're gonna
and
drop
Mama
some
are
crazy
paying for it.
But yeah, thanks for showing us your project. So give like a outro on what the project is and what we can expect from you coming in the future and what you're gonna be dropping on your channel.
Just that, a modular AI system that is a hedge fund manager.
AI hedge fund manager video coming
like
soon.
Like an AI system that is a hedge fund manager. That's basically what I'm gonna come up with. And by the way, I secured the new domain for johnperalta.com.
Nice.
So literally, is this, dude? I think, I don't know. We could change it up. Peralta.ai.
No, johnperalta.com. We'll have like 5 different websites, bro.
Honestly, I think Peralta.ai has to live forever. JohnPeralta.com.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking about. It's like I'm trying to build an AI system that literally improves over time and basically makes us immortal as a family. You know what I'm saying?
This guy's crazy. All right, I'll see y'all in the next video. Tune into our 10,000 subscriber stream. I'm gonna be teaching this guy Python from scratch. We have a friend who's interviewing as a Node.js developer. We're gonna be
I'm gonna learn JavaScript.
Everything, man. Tomorrow's gonna be sick.
Okay, yeah.
All right,
yeah.
I'll see y'all in the next video.